Stress is something we all face, whether it's work, relationship, or just the pace of life. Ayurveda sees stress as an imbalance in both body and mind. And this is caused due to the imbalance in the doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So basically how we react to stress depends on the imbalanced doshas. When Vata is increased, you feel anxious and restless. Your body becomes dehydrated and dry and you feel physically weak and emotionally unsettled. When Pitta is increased, you feel anger and aggression. Your body becomes hot and you sweat more. You will become highly irritated and short-tempered. And with excess Kapha, you slip into a state of low energy and depression. You feel lethargic and tired. Now, let's see how to tackle them. One of the easiest way to calm your system is by setting a proper routine. The most crucial part of a good routine is your sleeping time. Go to bed early and wake up early. Our body has a biological clock, and this clock is controlled by the hypothalamus of brain, which is in turn affected by the sunlight. So, when the sun rises, our body recognizes that as the time to wake up, and when sun sets, it's the time for you to sleep. So, try maximum to go to bed early and wake up early. 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. is the best sleeping hours. The most restorative sleep happens at this time as your body's natural healing and repairing process is at its peak. Also, according to Ayurveda, if you don't sleep at night, Vata increases in your body, which can lead to more anxiety and stress. And if you sleep at daytime, it increases Kapha, which increases lethargy and tiredness. The next important factor is your diet. What you eat plays a huge role too. If your Vata is increased, include good fats and oil in your food. Sesame oil is the best. Also, always try to have warm and freshly cooked food. Avoid frozen and cold and dry food items. Include spices like turmeric, ginger, fennel seeds, cumin, etc. to your food, which will help in improving your digestion. Avoiding stimulants like caffeine and processed food also can make a big difference in how you feel. If your Pitta dosha is increased, try to have food that helps in cooling down your body and gut. Try to include coconut water, buttermilk, ghee, bitter vegetables, especially from the gourd family like the snake gourd, bitter gourd, bottle gourd. In fruits, try to include grapes, melons and pomegranates. And make sure to use coconut oil and ghee in your cooking. If Kapha is increased, avoid oily, heavy and sweet food items. Try to include green gram millets and easily digestible low-fat food items. The third factor is proper exercise. If you are a Vata person, daily walks, yoga and pranayama will be very beneficial for you. These practices are also helpful for a Pitta person as they help in keeping you calm and stable. But if you are a Kapha person, you need to engage in more vigorous activities that will help to activate and energize your body. Doing gentle massages before bath will also help in calming your nervous system. If you are a Vata Prakriti person, use warm sesame oil. If you are a Pitta person, use coconut oil, and if you are a Kapha person, avoid oil and do massage with powder. Triphala Churna is a very good option for this. And lastly, never underestimate the power of rest. Have a good bedtime routine. Keep the gadgets away at least 30 minutes before your sleep. Try to listen to some calming music or do chanting before you sleep. Also, Try massaging your feet with warm oil before you go to sleep. This may sound simple, but it works wonders. Small changes like this will support your nervous system and help your body recover from the daily stress. The beauty of Ayurveda is that it meets you where you are. Whether your stress comes from a busy mind, emotional stress, or physical exhaustion, there is always a way to balance it. It's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about listening to your body and making small, consistent changes that will help to keep your mind calm and centered.